What's up, everyone? I've been streaming for years, grinding toward that Kick and Twitch partner status, and I know how tough it is to break out when you're starting from zero. Kick is exploding in 2026, and the opportunity has never been bigger. Today, I'm giving you 50 rapid-fire hacks to grow your Kick channel, starting right now. Hack 1, the Followers Panda Boost. Hack number 1 is for when you just need to get the ball rolling and build some initial social proof. You can buy from Followers Panda to give your Kick channel an initial boost. Having a baseline of followers can make your channel look more established and credible to new organic viewers dropping in. Hack 2, exploit the 95/5 split. Hack 2, Kick gives you 95% of your sub revenue. Don't just pocket it early on. Reinvest that money straight back into your stream to upgrade your gear faster than you could on other platforms. Hack 3, set up Botrix. 3, Kick's native tools are growing, but setting up Botrix is an absolute must for reliable alerts, chat moderation, and on-screen widgets. Hack 4, multi-stream for Reach 4. Kick allows multi-streaming. Send your signal to Kick, YouTube, and X simultaneously to cast the widest net possible. Hack 5, the golden schedule. 5, stream on a locked-in, consistent schedule. Your viewers need to know exactly when to tune in, just like their favorite TV show. Hack 6, upgrade your audio. 6, people will watch a 720p stream, but they will instantly leave if your mic echoes or sounds terrible. Invest in a dynamic microphone before you buy a new camera. Hack 7, lighting is everything. 7, a cheap $50 webcam looks incredible if you just put a decent key light or ring light in front of your face. Hack 8, hide the viewer count, turn off your viewer count. It messes with your mental state and ruins your energy if you see the number drop. Hack 9, always be talking stream as if you have 1,000 people watching, even if it's 0. When someone clicks your stream, they decide to stay in the first 10 seconds. Fix the dead air. Hack 10, the Shorts funnel. You need to be posting your best stream clips to TikTok and YouTube Shorts daily. Use them as a funnel to drive traffic directly to your Kick URL. Hack 11, network laterally. Network with Kick streamers your own size. Stop dropping into 10,000 viewer streams hoping for a shout out. Make genuine friends in the trenches. Hack 12, never end without a host. Always host another creator at the end of your stream. Even passing over 1 or 2 viewers helps build strong networking connections. Hack 13, build a Discord home base. Create a Discord server immediately. Your community needs a place to hang out and share memes when you are offline. Hack 14, clickbait titles tastefully. Playing GTA is a terrible stream title. Use something that creates curiosity, like trying the hardest GTA RP challenge today. Hack 15, don't call out lurkers. If someone is in your viewer list but hasn't typed in chat, leave them alone. Most people just want to watch in the background while they work or study. Hack 16, review your VODs. Watch your own VODs. If you get bored watching yourself play, your viewers are getting bored too. Note where your energy dipped. Hack 17, community game nights. Dedicate 1 stream a week to playing games directly with your viewers. Jackbox, custom lobbies, or marbles on stream work perfectly. Hack 18, clean up your layout. Keep your stream layout clean. Nobody wants to look at a screen covered in 15 different widgets, sponsor logos, and borders. Keep it to gameplay and webcam. Hack 19, custom emotes. Invest in high-quality custom emotes as soon as you can. It's the #1 reason people will want to subscribe to your channel. Hack 20, leverage YouTube search. Make YouTube tutorial videos in your niche. Searchable content lives forever and acts as a 24/7 billboard for your Kick channel. Hack 21, the About Me panels. Fill out your Kick panels. Tell people who you are, your schedule, and your PC specs. Make your channel look professional. Hack 22, use a starting soon screen. Run a starting soon screen for the first 5 minutes of your stream so your audience has time to get the notification and gather before you start. Hack 23, ask open-ended questions. Ask chat questions that require more than a yes or no answer. Get them talking about their day, their opinions, or the game. Hack 24, run polls. Use chatbots to run polls. Will I win this match? Type 1 for yes, 2 for no. It forces easy engagement from quiet viewers. Hack 25, co-stream and collab. Set up dual streams or collabs with other Kick creators. You instantly share your audiences and bounce energy off each other. Hack 26, drink water and keep energy up. Keep a massive bottle of water on your desk. If your energy drops 3 hours into a stream because you're dehydrated, people will click away. Hack 27, master Twitter/X Kick has a massive community on X. Post clips, memes, and reply to other Kick streamers to get your name recognized in the algorithm. Hack 28, Be active in other chats. Hang out in other Kick streams as a genuine viewer. Don't self-promote, just make friends. Hack 29, capitalize on trends. If a new game drops and fits your style, play it on day one to catch the massive wave of hype and search traffic. Hack 30, use a catchy offline screen. When you aren't live, your offline screen should clearly display your stream schedule and your social media handles so people know when to come back. Hack 31, welcome first-time chatters. Make a massive deal out of first-time chatters. A warm welcome is the difference between a one-time viewer and a loyal regular. Hack 32, niche down. Pick a game with a high follower count but low streamer count so you actually show up in the category directory rather than sitting at the bottom of the Fortnite page. Hack 33, utilize Kick's IRL section. Kick's IRL section is massive. If you're comfortable, take your stream on the go. IRL streams naturally create unpredictable, highly engaging moments. Hack 34, set up interactive alerts. Use funny, loud, or jump scare alerts for follows and subs. Make the viewer feel like they are directly controlling the stream's environment. Hack 35, pin a welcome message. Pin a message to the top of your chat explaining what you are doing today so new viewers instantly have context when they join. Hack 36, VIP badges for loyalty. Hand out VIP badges to your most loyal viewers and moderators. It gives them a sense of ownership and pride in your community. Hack 37, host mini subathons. Run uncapped streams or mini subathons to create hype. Adding time to a clock for every sub creates a fun, gamified experience for the chat. Hack 38, upgrade your background. Make sure your background looks interesting. Throw up some RGB lights, posters, or shelves. A plain white wall is boring to look at for hours. Hack 39, don't complain on stream. Keep a positive mindset. Nobody wants to hang out with someone who is constantly complaining about view counts or the algorithm. Good vibes attract viewers. Hack 40, read chat out loud. Always read the chat message out loud before you answer it. This gives context to VOD watchers and makes the chatter feel heard. Hack 41, use soundboards. Set up a stream deck or virtual soundboard. Triggering funny sound effects during gameplay adds a massive layer of entertainment value. Hack 42, engage with Kick staff. Kick staff and devs are very active on social media. Reply to their updates respectfully. It keeps you visible in the broader platform community. Hack 43, wear recognizable clothing, brand yourself. Wear a specific hat, glasses, or color scheme every stream so people instantly recognize your thumbnail in the directory. Hack 44, add closed captions. Use a plugin to add closed captions to your stream. A large portion of viewers watch with the sound off or at very low volumes. Hack 45, play with viewers off stream. Play games in your Discord with your viewers when you aren't live. Building a real friendship means they will always show up when you hit the go live button. Hack 46, set short-term goals. Stop looking at the 1,000 viewer mark. Set a goal for 5 average viewers, then 10, then 15. Celebrate the small wins to stay motivated. Hack 47, create signature catchphrases. 47, lean into inside jokes and catchphrases that only your community understands. It makes new viewers want to be part of the in crowd. Hack 48, check your analytics once a week. 48, look at your stats to see which games brought in the most new viewers, but only do it once a week. Checking daily will just drive you crazy. Hack 49, ask for the follow. 49, don't be afraid to clearly ask for a follow. Remind viewers that following is completely free and the best way to support you. Hack 50, be patient. 50, stop obsessing over overnight success. Focus on making 1% improvements to your content every single stream. Streaming is a marathon, not a sprint. Drop a like if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more streamer advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep grinding.